This is one of the equations that I posted some time ago, or should be a few days ago, for us to attempt. I believe you have tried to get the solution to the equation. Today I want to briefly use this video to share my solution to the equation, and if you have anything to contribute, please you send that to the comment section. Thank you for being here with us. So the question is, what are the fractional forms of? First, I is 0.21 with dots on 2 and 1, and here the second one is 3.21 with dot on top of 1 only. So what do these mean? From the very first one, we have 2 dots. We have dot on top of 2. We also have dot on top of 1. This means that this very decimal is a recurring decimal with 2 1 repeating themselves, 2 and 1 repeating themselves. So if you can still write it, I can write it as 0.21 2 dots equals 0.21 21 21 and so on and so on. So this question says we should express this decimal in fractional form, this variable in fractional form. So for us to do this, what I want you to take note is that we have 2 decimals after decimal point. After the decimal point, we have 2 digits after the decimal points that we need to consider, and that 2 digits means if for us to remove this very decimal, or to have a whole number, we need to multiply this very decimal by 100. So the first one here is the tenth and then hundredth. So let's multiply by 100. So we have, for the sake of those learning this, you need to use these words, multiply by 100. So from there we have 100 times 0.21. You need to bring that back the dots, because that let us know that the thing is what is actually repeating. So 100 times 0.21 with the decimal there will give us 21.21 with the dots. So this means that this 100 multiplying here, it moves this decimal point 2 places. The first place is the tenth, the second one is 100th. That's why we now have 21. Remember the dot on top, meaning that these 2 1 keeps repeating. That's why I have to still bring it after I might have multiplied by 100. Now the next thing that we need to do here is to subtract both sides by subtract 0.21 from both sides. So we have subtract 0.21 with the dots from both sides. So from there we have 100 times 0.21 minus 0.21 equal to, on this side of the equation we have 21.21 minus 0.21. So from here we have 2 terms with multiplication sign, and on the first term here we have 0.21. So what we need to look at from these 2 terms, we have 0.21 that is common. So let us bring out 0.21 that is common. We bring it out, and when I bring out 0.21 here, what will be left here, the first term here will be 100, because 0.21 times 100 will still give me 100 times 0.21. And here if I bring out 0.21, I will have 1. That is 0.21 times 1 will still give me 0.21. So that's that. We now go to the other side here. So we can subtract this one. It's not like this one, so we can subtract this one. 21.21 minus 0.21, it's gonna be 21. So the repeated part has been kind of done away with. So we now continue. 100 minus 1 is 99, so we have 0.21 times 99 equals to 21. I hope you guys are following. So at this point, remember, we are looking for this 0.21 with recurring 21 expressed in what? In a fractional form. So at this point, there's something that you need to do. We have to do what? Divide both sides by 99 so that 0.21 can stand alone. So that is what we've just done. 99 is up here. We divide the one that's down. So now 0.21 come down, stand alone, and then we have this fractional form of that. So this is not the final thing, because this very fraction can as well be simplified. So this can be done as 3 times 7 can give us 21, and 3 times 33 can give us 99. So therefore the 3 up cancels the 3 down. Therefore in fractional form, 0.21, the recurring value of 0.21 now gives us 7 over 33 in fractional form. So that's how to convert this recurring decimal to fraction. I don't want this very video to be too long, so I will have to stop here. Then I will want us to come back in our next video. Please do well to drop your comments, and whatever contribution that you have, please drop at the comment section. And if you have any problem as well, drop at the comment section, please, and share it to your loved one, your friends, and those ones in secondary school that you think they need to understand or to follow us to understand more. So I want to see you in our next video. Thank you very much, and thank you for following Mathstand.